Hey everyone, sorry I'm late. I was doing a few videos. Oh, I cannot turn your phone while live. Okay, you must turn like that. Okay. Hey everyone, sorry I'm late. I promised that I will do a sales video every Monday at 2:30. So because just now I was doing a bit of some videos for my Instagram, so that's why I'm late. So today, right, I'm going to talk about anti-aging. So a lot of you ask me, how do you maintain? Because my age is coming up, 43 years old this April. So I'm going to teach you how to look young. Um, I wanted to achieve. I hope that I could look like this when I'm 50 years old as well. So that's my goal. So I'm going to teach you today, right, how to look young. Okay. So here's my anti-aging checklist. So this is what I do. Consider fish oil. You can take fish oil in the morning, and then avoid white sugar. I have give up sugar since 2 years ago. So I find that as I give up sugar for about 2 years, now it's 3 years already. So I find that I look much more younger and less lethargic also, and I have more energy to work out. So you can consider cutting white sugar. Okay, if you see my past Facebook if you scroll the Facebook post, right, the past maybe 1 week, there's this article on Coca-Cola. Sugar is a drug actually, so you can consider taking less sugar to cut down so that you look younger. And then if you can, right, wear your vitamin C. You can take vitamin C with you can take vitamin C like the normal vitamin C supplements, or you can take vitamin C serum. Like for me, right, as I mentioned earlier, if you watch my past videos, right, this is my favorite vitamin C serum from Mary Kay, and I can't live without. Basically, it helps to stimulate collagen production, so that's why you look younger. Okay, and then protect against sun damage and some spots as well. Okay, so this is my favorite. Okay, you can also take vitamin C like this. So sometimes I will take a supplement like this every morning to actually alkaline my body as well. And then you must apply sunscreen or avoid the sun. And please eat a lot of fish. Plenty of omega-3 fatty acids, right, will actually make you look younger. And then I've actually written it down so that I don't forget, and then tell you the most important part. Okay, and then you need plenty of sleep. So I find that Singaporeans lack of sleep, some of them have insomnia. So if you have insomnia, right, please take note. Maybe it could be due to your diet, not enough protein, not enough nutrition. So you need to take care of your health and then sleep early. Next, you can consider drinking water throughout the day, so that drink at least 8 glasses of water. Like for my height, right, about 1.72, I need about maybe 10 glasses of water. So it really depends on how tall you are, but minimum is 8 glasses of water. Moisturize. Please make sure your moisturizer has sunblock inside, or you can do without, or you can have something that's separate. So you can have sunblock like this. This is a SPF 35 sunblock, and yes, anti-aging hyaluronic acid, very important. Later I'll tell you more about hyaluronic acid. Basically this one, right, helps to do firming and has sunblock inside, so it helps to protect your skin. Okay, so sunblock is very important. Or you should avoid the sun to look younger. I know a lot of my friends, they love to suntan, so if you want to look younger and you don't want to have all this wrinkly skin, please avoid the sun. Okay, and then you need to eat all the superfoods. Superfoods like for me, every morning, right, I'll take my supplements, and also I'll take my smoothies before I work out half an hour later. For me, right, I work out, I'll do my treadmill, or I do my Tabata workout. I do my cardio almost every day. Sometimes on my treadmill about 1 hour, sometimes on my cardio about half an hour, like Tabata or skipping. I can skip for about half an hour to maintain, because these days, right, Chinese New Year goodies, too much already. I ate too much, so there's a lot of sugar in my diet these days. So I do a lot of cardio to burn it all out. Okay, because if you do your treadmill about 1 hour, right, you can burn for about 400 calories. Yeah. So okay, as I mentioned earlier, you need to eat all the superfoods. So my superfoods, right, for my smoothies every morning, I will put yogurt, plain yogurt. I'll put blueberries, and then I'll also put banana. Half an hour later, I'll blend it, and then after that I'll drink it. Then half an hour later, then I work out. So that's my food before I work out. I need to eat something before I work out. If not, I'll be very hungry. And then, yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you need to stay active just about 15 to 20 minutes a day. If you can, work out for about minimum 150 minutes a week. If you drink a lot, right, 180, if you drink wine, like me, okay, you should work out for about 180 minutes a week. All right. And then you should take vitamins, multivites or B complex, you know. Okay, so this is my checklist to remain to look young. This is my anti-aging checklist. So this is what I always advise my clients to take, you know, if they want to look younger. A lot of Singaporean women, they tell me, oh, I want to look young, but they are very lazy to follow the steps that I give them. So if you can, right, if you want to look young, and a lot of my clients said that I look like 35, 36, you know, so I wanted all of you to look young and beautiful and confident. Yeah, so you can follow, this is my method. So this is what I do and I advise my client. So next, right, you can also take anti-aging supplements like this, like omega-3 fish oil. You can take carnitine also. Carnitine is CARNITINE. It helps to convert fats to energy, because as we age, right, we don't have much CoQ10 in our liver to produce, so that's why we put on weight very easily. So that's why, you know, if you realize by 20s, right, whatever you do, whatever you eat, right, you still look slim. But by 30s, right, and above, right, we don't have enough of CoQ10 in our liver, so that's why we burn fats much more. The metabolism is lower, so that's why we put on weight easily. Yeah, so if you get this anti-aging supplements like carnitine, it helps to convert fats, energy, and aid cellular repair while also preventing muscle loss. So you can get this through beef or dairy milk, okay? Another one is which I love to recommend is CoQ enzyme 10. Okay, it helps to moisturize, it helps to maximize the burning of food for fuel, and then on top of that, it helps to normalize fats in our body. And on you can also get it from sardines, salmon, and nuts. Yeah, so you can do this. And you can also get food like resveratrol. Resveratrol is also available in our TImewise 3D skincare, this range. This one is very rich in resveratrol. That's why you can see that it helps to promote antioxidant health and fight against effect of free radicals. So I love wine, so resveratrol is available in wine, in also peanuts, blueberries, and cranberries. So basically, right, having this one TImewise 3D, right, this skincare range, right, it's more for 21 years old and above, up to maybe early 30s. You can use this range. Basically, okay, the cleanser, right, helps to it's a 4-in-1 cleanser, help to cleanse, exfoliate, and tone at the same time. So you skip toner, so you save money this way. And then after that, right, you can do your moisturizer day and night. We have a separate moisturizer day and night for this range. Yeah, and then we have the combination. And we also have the normal to dry range for this one. And we also have an eye cream for this range. So if you are 21 years old and above to early 30s, you should use this range. This is more suitable for you. So if you're looking for a good anti-aging range, if you are 32 and above, right, or 33 and above, right, you should be using products like this, TImewise Repair. This is very good because, as I mentioned earlier, hyaluronic acid, right, is inside all this product. We have this range. All this range has hyaluronic acid inside. This is our TImewise Repair range. At the same time, it repairs your cellular skin matrix, and it gives you a lot of water, reactivate your water cells. So that's why you look younger and younger, and this one will help to firm up the skin. So basically, right, you cleanse. You can use this cleanser, it's the same thing. Then you can use this lifting serum. The reason why we use serum, right, is to help to, it's like a catalyst to help the products, right, of this moisturizer to enhance it inside your cellular cells. Yeah, so that's why if you want V face shape, right, very V face shape, I recommend this one. This one helps to tone and then firm up the skin. And then this one is our day cream. I have a night cream, which is the grey color. I didn't bring it here. And then once or twice a week, right, you need to do exfoliation. Later, I'll get back to that on exfoliation. Okay, so let's get back to supplements. So basically, right, this is, and then another thing is maybe you could get something like acetyl L-carnitine. It improves and regulates insulin, which helps our body burn fats efficiently. So this supplements, right, is very good. It's available in beef, chicken, and your dairy. So you can use this one to help to prolong your so-called like prolong your life in a sense that, and it also helps to burn fats, and then it helps to and you lose weight very easily. So this, because as we reach 30s, right, we don't really burn fats very easily. So if you eat all these good supplements that I recommend to you earlier on, you can reverse back later all the videos that I mentioned earlier, the information. So these are the anti-aging supplements that I recommend. And then you can also take vitamin B. Vitamin B can help to repair broken skin cells and tissue, as well as form and strengthen new skin cells. Vitamin B also helps to eliminate a symptom of skin condition. So if you have acne, right, if you have pimples, you should take vitamin B. It helps. But please add it with vitamin B complex, vitamin C inside, so that it doesn't give you too much heatiness. You must drink a lot of water when you take supplements. And then you can also take vitamin C. Not only the Oh, sorry, just now my sister called me, so that's why it's disrupted. Okay, so I say halfway. And then you should take vitamin E as well to help to protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. And you also prevent water loss, so skin retain moisture. So I take all these vitamins to look younger. And then you can take also omega-3, a lot of fish, because I for one, I'm a more sushi person. I eat a lot of fish. So that's why, it helps to, it's a powerful anti-inflammatory nutrients. It protects cells from free radical damage, directly stimulating antioxidants. The fatty acids, right, can help reduce level of stress hormone cortisol, also, which is friendly not only to your skin but also to your mental health. We also know that if you have a lot of stress, right, you will help to destroy the nuclear cells of your body, so that's why you look older. So people who stress easily, right, they look older. So if you want to look younger, right, please don't make yourself too stressed. Okay, good. So next, right, I want to recommend is the how our skincare works. So basically, right, you should look for products that I mentioned earlier that has retinol inside, to help to smooth the wrinkles. Okay, then you should have products that has hyaluronic acid inside to help to boost and give you the smoothness of your skin. Because once you have hyaluronic acid inside, right, your skin, right, if your skin is much more water, plenty of hydration water, right, you will not have a lot of pimples. So you need to tell your client that, like if you're selling Mary Kay products like I am, I'll always ask customers to drink a lot of water. And then also water, right, if you drink a lot, right, it helps to minimize pores as well. On top of that, right, and our products have water inside, so it helps to reactivate water cells some more. So that's why it helps to give you that smoothness, and then pores are smaller and give you that firmness. So basically, as I mentioned earlier, if you are 30s and above, right, I repeat again, you can use this range, TImewise Repair range. This one will help you to firm up your skin, give you that V-face lift. On top of that, this day cream, right, helps to reactivate water cells. On top of that, it helps to give you that lift, and it has sunblock inside. So you save money on sunblock. You don't have to buy sunblock again separately. Then if you are 40s, then you can do, right, is, I forgot to mention about this one. This one has glycolic acid peel inside. So what I do with my client, right, for those who are 30s and above, right, I will always recommend, this is for all ages. This radiance peel is like a treatment, right? Like what these days there's a lot of treatments like hydration facial, then there's a lot of like Botox injections, right? All these hydrating injections, all these things, okay, they also use similar products like what we are doing, but this one, ours is painless. You don't have to go through all the injections, you just use this one will do. So basically, right, what I love to do is I love to use radiance peel. I love to use this gel mask first, and then I put the radiance peel over. The reason why I do that, because I believe that if your skin is dehydrated, right, the products will not work very well. So you need to hydrate your skin first. So I put this gel mask first over a thin layer, then I put this radiance peel. Okay, what this one gives, right, it helps to hydrate your skin, minimize pores. Okay, what this do is it helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, and then on top of that, right, it helps to smooth out your skin, minimize your pores, and get rid of blackheads. So this is what you do twice a week. So if your skin is 30 years old and above, right, I recommend that you do this twice a week. Because right now the weather, if you realize, is not so hydrated, it's a bit dry and it's dehydrated and it's very windy. So it gives, for those people who have dry skin, right, even much more drier. And for those who have oily skin, combination skin, we still can cope, but we're still dehydrated because some of us may not drink enough water as well. So I recommend these two range together to actually, right, give you that firmness and hydration, and then also that if you like the Korean kind of luminous watery glow, you just apply this one, right, and then after that you just wash your face, and then you can apply your makeup, right, fabulous. You look glowy and fabulous like a celebrity, this range. So if you're interested to try our products, right, you can call me, and then you can book an appointment with me. We can do it at our office at International Plaza, or I can do it at your office, or I can do it at your home. Just let me know. And then for 40s and above, right, okay, I strongly recommend that you use our this Youthfinity range. I personally love this one because this is very rich in Alpen rose. Alpen rose is known to face all the harsh conditions on the Swiss Alps. So basically this one, right, Alpen rose helps you to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and do firmness and contour. That means it really gives you that firmness, that lift. Because a lot of women, right, as we age, this part is very prominent, this part. We call it the marinette lines or Farling Wen, and then this part. So I'm already 43, you can see this part has already, I used to look, if you look at my past photos, right, this part is very prominently down. But ever since I used this one for about, I think we launched this last year, I can't remember when, I think October or, yeah, I used it for about 3 months already, and you can see it literally hydrate my skin and minimize my pores, and then this part is very firm. Because as we age, 40s and above, right, this part will drop, and then this part will drop. And then this part will also slowly drop because of gravity. Yeah, so if you want to look younger, right, you use this Youthfinity serum. This will help to do contouring and firmness, right? On top of that, it hydrates the skin at the same time, because as we reach 40s, you know, menopausal coming and everything, right? And we don't really need, I mean, as in like, there's a lot of water coming into my skin. Even if you reach 40 and you're close to menopause, your skin may not absorb the products very easily. So that's why you need this, I call it the Skin Invigorate Massage brush. This one you need this one. You put this one, Youthfinity serum on your face, and you need this brush to give you that lift. So you need this one to help the products to absorb into the skin easily. When it comes to Youthfinity serums or any serums, you can use this brush to help you to firm up the skin. On top of that, right, it helps to firm up, it helps to absorb the product into the skin. So that's why when you're past 40, we recommend extra equipment to help you to enhance the product into the skin. Then after that, right, okay, I call it the shortcut range. When it comes to 40s and above, you may have a lot of work to do, right? So there's a lot of things that I cut short for my clients, right? I will listen to you, your lifestyle first, and then I will actually promote the right products for you. So basically, Youthfinity serum helps to hydrate and contour, and for actually firm up the skin as well. And the Youthfinity face cream helps you to hydrate the skin and to enhance firmness. You will know what I mean when you try this. You will really love this one. And on top of that, right, because of this range that I use, right, I actually do my mask only this one, and I rarely do other exfoliation range already, because this one does exfoliation and hydration at the same time. So I save a lot of time. So if you're interested to learn how to cut short your skincare routine, how to cut short your skincare range, you can look for me, and then you can try the products FOC. Just make an appointment with me, and I hope that this whole video gives you information of how to take care of your skin for anti-aging wise. So next class, right, I'm going to teach you how to do whitening, because we just came up with a new whitening range. And then if you have any questions or you want to see any videos as regards to your concern, just let me know. And then I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Hi to everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Please give me a lot of loves. I hope that I give you a lot of information on how to take care of your skin and also how to take care of your body. And please work out often, 150 minutes a week. Alright? So let's be healthy together. See you soon in my next video. Bye.